Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you a few Bootstrap. Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the Bootstrap colors. You can use different type of the Bootstrap colors and you can create attractive designs. So how to use Bootstrap color? If you want to also know about that, then you have to watch this entire video. After that, you will learn to use Bootstrap color. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, I'm using the Sublime text here. Okay. And after that, I'm closing this file also. Okay. Now after that, I am just going in the browser and I am just typing getbootstrap.com. After that, I'm clicking in the docs. Then you have to include the Bootstrap and CSS and JS. I am clicking in the copy to clipboard. But before also I mentioned that you need internet connection to use this CDN. Without internet connection, this CDN will not work. After that, I am going to right click and you have to click in the paste. Now you can see the boilerplate code which is provided by the getbootstrap.com. So you can easily use this one. So I am just changing this one to Bootstrap color. Okay. And I am just saving it by pressing Ctrl+S. So I am just giving the 5 bootcolor.html. Okay. So after that, I am going to right click and I am just clicking in the open in browser. Now you can see it is telling me that Bootstrap color. Okay. It means it is working. All right. So now let's start to use the Bootstrap color here. So first of all, I'm creating a paragraph and I'm just writing a text lorem 10 and I'm pressing tab button. So now we can see here a new paragraph is created, right? So I'm going to copy this paragraph and I'm just pasting here by pressing Ctrl+V, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, 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 Ctrl+V. Okay, so let me check what will happen. So now you can see here is a few paragraph is created with the help of Bootstrap. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to use few colors. That is predefined color which is provided by the Bootstrap. If you want to use the color, so you have to use the color. You have to implement a class. That class should be text minus primary. Okay. So let me check what will happen. So now we can see here it is implementing the primary color. And another color is also available. That color is, so I'm using a class and that color is success. Text minus success. Okay. So if I use this one, let me check what will happen. So now we can see here the second paragraph color also changed. Okay. And another color also available. So I'm using the class and I am just giving the text minus info. So let me check what will happen. Okay, so now we can see info color is created. And another, okay, so let me check another color, that is text minus warning. So if I use this one, let me check what will happen. So now we can see here is a warning color is applied. So let me check another class, that is bg minus danger. Okay, and now I'm reloading this one. So now we can see here, oh, not the bg, it should be text. Okay, text. Okay, so now you can see here I'm going to reload this one. So now we can see here the danger color is implemented. And another class also going to be created. So that is text minus secondary. Okay. So if I load this one, so now you can see the secondary color is applied in this paragraph. Okay. Now again I'm going to use a new paragraph from here. I'm copying this one and pasting here and pasting here. So another color also available. Okay, so for this one I'm using another class. That class is content text minus primary. Okay, so I'm using the primary color. So now you can see the primary color is implemented, right? And another text color also available, that is class is called to text minus dark. Let me check what will happen. So now you can see here the dark color is implemented, and another color also available. Okay, so that is text minus light. So if I use this class, the text color now you can see our light color is implemented here, but it is not showing. So in this way you can use the text colors. Okay, so those are the Bootstrap color. Okay, so those colors are primary, success, info, warning, danger, secondary, primary, dark, and light. Okay, so for example, if I want to change the background of this paragraph, thus you have to type bg. Okay, so bg for the background, and you have to type minus. After that you can give the background color. So I am just giving bg minus danger. Okay, so, and I'm using the another type of the background also, bg minus primary, sorry, bg minus warning. Okay, so let me check what will happen. So now you can see when I'm using another class inside my HTML class, then in that case this is creating a nice background, right? So I'm creating another type of the background also here. So I'm just giving bg minus primary, and I'm creating a background for this one, bg minus success, and I'm creating a background this one for bg minus primary. Okay, and for this one bg minus dark. Okay, let me check what will happen. So now you can see here a nice type of the background is created, right? So I'm implementing the background color in the paragraph, but for example, if you want to create a background color in the div, just it is the same process. For example, I am using CSS also here. So I am creating a style tag, and I am just giving div height is 100 vh, not 100 vh, 50 vh, and width 100 vh. Okay, and now I'm going to give the class here. The class is bg minus dark. So let me check what will happen. So now you can see a nice dark type of the box is created, right? And I'm just giving the display inline block. Okay, so if I created another div, and I'm just giving the class it's bg minus info. Let me check what will happen. Okay, so now you can see a nice bg info is created here, right? So if I create another div and I give the class is called to bg minus danger. So now you can see a nice danger type of the background is created. So in this way you can implement the background color. Okay, just you have to remember the primary, success, info, warning, danger, secondary. Okay, so those are the colors which is provided by the Bootstrap. Okay, so let's move on. So I'm creating another paragraph also here, and I'm typing few things here, lower M100. So I'm going to reload this one. Let me check what will happen. So now you can see here a nice paragraph is created, right? So if I implement a text color here, we have to use a class attribute, and I'm going to use a text minus danger. Okay. So now you can see here what will happen. So now you can see danger color is implemented. So if I use text minus danger minus 50, so let me check what will happen. Okay, so now you can see here it is giving me a different type of thing, right? So I think it is not working for the danger color. If I use the black, text minus black minus 50, this will obviously, oh, so now you can say it is working, right? So you can use the opacity in the black and white colors. If I use the text minus black, let me check what will happen. So now you can see it is giving you a nice black color, right? If I use the text minus black minus 50, and now you can see here it is giving me the 50% opacity of the text. And you can use in the text minus white class also. So I'm just using text minus white. Okay, and if I use the bg minus dark, let me check what will happen. So now you can see I have the black background and text color is white. But if I use the text minus white minus 50, so now you can see it will give me the 50% opacity. Okay, so now you can see here. So in this way you can use different type of the Bootstrap color. Hoping that you get few ideas. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.